Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost and get it pretty fast shipped to you. So let's see what's inside here tonight. And hopefully everyone had a good holiday. Everybody's staying home, staying safe. You know, it's almost done with, guys. We'll get through it. And in the meantime, you guys could check this company out and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item today, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your shopping cart, check out really fast, and continue to shop. We got full HD, 1080p, pan tilt, motion detection, cloud storage, two-way audio, night vision. So this must be a camera. Always good to have some of these around. Nooie Cam, so there's gonna be an app you gotta download on your app store or your Android Play Store. It's simple to download. It's called Nooie Cam, I do believe, for this one. Because they got the Nooie Home, which is for your lights and your sockets. But the Nooie Cam is for the security cameras and all that good stuff. So we got here. Open the manual. Big old manual. Alright, you should already know how to do this. So it should be easy to hook up. Just remember your Wi-Fi password. Make sure it's 2.4. Oh yeah. This is a nice little guy. Oh, make sure you take the sticker off. Right there. Bada boom. Bada boom bottom. You can get a mounting bracket. I think it comes with. And USB. Here's the back. Oops. Nice camera though. I'll show you guys in a second. Come on out. All the way to the bottom. Come on. Hold on one second. Alright, there we go. Come on. Get out. Dang. Oh, there it is. We tried. Here's the goodies. USB. Man. There we go. You guys alright? Put you down a little. There we go. Got normal power adapter, like your cell phone type style. Smartphones, tablets, all that good stuff. Here it is. Nice white. And see, it does come with the mounting bracket. So you can have it mounted. But we're not. We're just going to do it as is. There's the screws for it. Let's see. And here's the main guy. USB. Really easy to plug in. Zap it a few times. And like I said, you're going to have to download the Nooie Cam app, which is shown in the manual too. And there's a QR code you can scan if you don't feel like searching for it. But it's a really easy search to find these guys. First one that pops up is the Nooie app, or Nooie Cam. Let me clean up a little bit more. Bear with me. This will take a minute to set up. Wi-Fi is working really good and everything, so no issues on this side finally. But hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we got this. Ooh. Not too many things have covers on there. USB, so that's really nice. Great for protection. And this will be easy peasy, baby. Come on. There we go. Upside down. I feel like I'm upside down. What the heck? There we go. Plugged in. I need a rock and roller. Plug this in here. Gonna find my cool. It has pretty long cord too. I'll show you guys. Should. There's the lights. Here's that. Okay, let me download the app. But yeah, check out the cord. All the way down. Oh, now it's gonna spin, calibrate itself, and I'm gonna have to download because I got the iPhone right here. Download, go to the App Store, not Apple Store, App Store. Search for Nooie Cam. That's gonna be the second one right there. I already have an account with them, so really easy to set up, password, all that good stuff. Sign in. Yep. So many passwords. Okay. And then it's gonna ask you what cam it is. I think it's the Nooie 360 cam. So it would be down at the bottom. Red light is on. Then oops. You're gonna have to do this. There we go. That was easy. Just gonna do this. Yep, it's blinking. So that's a good thing. There you go. That's a good angle. Just that right there. Yep, it's pairing. Should be, yep. And it's connected. Bada boom. See how easy that was? And then you can name your camera. Maybe office cam. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this one in the office. It's going to tell you how to control the camera. Phone's a little dirty. Let me wipe that part. A little smudgy. Oh, I gotta do a firmware update, so you're gonna have to do that really quick. It takes about less than 5 minutes. I'm usually like a minute, 2 minutes top. Download, because my Wi-Fi is pretty good. My internet, terabyte, so we should be good to go in a minute. Less than 60 seconds. So grab your coffee, grab some popcorn, take a look inside this thing. It's almost there, guys. Still updating device. We'll get it. But yeah, this is lightweight, so be a nice little piece to have in your room or in your office in case you're away from your work. Easily check up on your office and stuff. Your back shed, or I do believe it's indoor, not outdoor, because I think it's might be waterproof, wall mount. That's waterproof. Still updating. Dang it. Yeah, it doesn't say it's waterproof. If I'm wrong, double check it too, but I don't think it is. Delay, pill on tilt, night vision. Oh man, this will take for a second. Still updating the firm. So we are still solid red. The lights are on, that's a good thing. Oh, it's almost done. Yeah, there we go. So I click on it a second. So that's a good sign, guys. Really good sign. Gonna get the back-to-back videos tonight up. Let me read this really quick. Yeah, I don't think it's waterproof. More or less for indoor security. Doesn't show nothing on here. But like I said, there's a QR. You can scan it. And it sure don't show 32 gigabyte micro card. They got the oh, there goes doing something. Nooie cam for outdoors. So yeah, this is a 360 indoor. Yep, alright. That's almost done, guys. So now that's flashing right there. Does it spin Rooney? Just recognizing the area. Gonna do the focusing and all that good stuff in a second. It's still updating on my side, so give it a few. Oh, sweet. Perfect, perfect. There we go. Zoom in like this. Hopefully you guys can see it move. It's gonna take a second to upload all that good stuff. I'm gonna keep that glove on. Come on. Yeah, it's going. Green light. See, it's flashing. Almost done. Come on. Come on. Then you can always subscribe to their cloud service they have to offer. Just check out the pricings down at the bottom. Just click on the plus. So it's up to you if you guys want to choose what you want recorded. Come on. It's almost slowing down. Come on. My battery's about to die. If I go back. Ah. There we go. Bada boom. You can tilt it sideways. Oh, that's clear. Different settings you can do. Audio recording. I forgot how you tilt the iPhone. You guys can see it move up. You can tilt. That's crazy, guys. So I think these are under $100, but double click the link down below, check it out, and like I said, if you like this item right here, definitely you guys could get one at low cost. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a good night, and see you guys soon.